Does the thought of trying to find this year's receipts for your tax accountant stress you out? How much easier would it be if everything were right at your fingertips? Running a business involves a lot of documents. Between inventory sheets and all those little receipts, it can pile up. But imagine everything ready when you need it, organized and right at your fingertips. Not only does it reduce stress, it keeps your finances on track because you spend less time searching for documents and more time growing your business. So let's talk about the steps to organizing and managing your documents. The first step to organizing is categorization. Group your documents into general categories: income, expenses, tax documents, contracts. Then separate those general piles into subcategories so that it'll make it easier to find. So make sure that they are subcategories that make sense to you and for your business. Grouping your documents now may seem like a hassle, but it'll save time later because then you'll only have one section to go through instead of the entire stack of documents. So the next step is choosing a storage system. You can go physical, you can do digital, or you can do a hybrid of both. I honestly suggest a hybrid of both because there are certain documents that you're going to want to keep physical copies of, but you'll also want backups of them. And there are certain documents that it just doesn't make sense to use all that space to store them when you can store them electronically. For storing documents digitally, there are a lot of apps out there that will scan and organize your records for you, like Neat or Shoeboxed. The advantage of digital storage is that it saves space and your documents can be accessed from anywhere. But what if you like physical documents? Well, that's fine. Just make sure that you separate them out into either binders, folders, or file cabinets. Try using color-coded tabs or labels to make it easier to find things. Even with a physical system, you might want to have a digital backup. Scan certain documents that just can't be lost. If you decide to go hybrid, make sure that your physical and digital systems are compatible with each other. That is, the same system in both places. Make sure that you categorize and subcategorize things the same way, and make sure that your digital files are named in ways that will make it easier for you to find. Whether you go physical, digital, or both, make sure the system that you choose is something that you like and understand. Now, that's not too complicated, or you just won't use it. The third and final step is maintaining your system. Set up a routine to go through your documents on a weekly and a monthly basis. This doesn't have to take long, just a few minutes to file the documents that have come in that week or that month. And if you're reviewing your documents on a regular basis, you'll catch issues more quickly. That way you can fix them before they get too big and too troublesome to fix. If over time, as your business grows, your routine will become a fixture of your life. If this sounds like the kind of peace of mind you'd like to have, well then, I suggest you attend my free webinar on November 19th. We'll be going over how to organize your documents for year-end and set everything up for the new year. There's a link in the description below. Let's make document organization one less thing to worry about.